This Christmas, our hearts are with the thousands of Jamaicans who continue to face hardship following the devastating impact of Hurricane Melissa. Many families are still coping with loss, displacement, and uncertainty, and they remain in our thoughts and prayers. Though these times are challenging, the spirit of Christmas reminds us of the power of compassion, harmony, and shared responsibility. I urge every Jamaican to reach out to families and neighbors in need. Offer a helping hand, share kindness and cheer, and bring hope to those who need it most. Even in adversity, the true meaning of Christmas shines brightest when we care for one another. May this season inspire renewed hope, unwavering resilience, and unyielding solidarity across our nation. The Ministry of Justice and Constitutional Affairs remains fully committed to supporting relief, recovery, and redevelopment efforts. We will continue working with our partners to ensure that no community is left behind. Together, through cooperation and compassion, we can restore dignity, rebuild lives, and strengthen the bonds that unite us as one Jamaican family. On behalf of the ministry, I wish every Jamaican peace, joy, and renewed hope this Christmas and throughout the new year.